Hello and welcome to the next video of my course on Power BI. In this section, we'll be exploring ranking and comparison in Power BI. We'll try to figure out what products drive company revenue. And we shall start with looking at the requirements and what charts and metrics we'll be using throughout this section. So this time, stakeholders want to rank shops and products by sales. They want to also know what are the best shops and products and how they are staying ranked between each other. So we will start with making a table visual in Power BI. Table visuals are really easily sortable and it is possible to filter by date period. They also have rich conditional formatting functions and they will give us more visual clues as to how sales compares between products and shops. And then we will also plot rank of sales of an individual product and shop. We will learn a new DEX function for that, and we'll be able to specify an individual product or shop to get its rank. And we will also plot the ranking over time, how the ranking changed over the time period.